Hello everyone, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a gaming performance test of the Realme C75 5G smartphone by playing few of the most high-end heavy graphics game on the highest possible graphics setting. We will also monitor the battery performance, FPS generation, and whether we are going to face any hidden issue or not. So here we go. So for this testing purpose, I have set the screen refresh rate to 120Hz. From the battery setting, I have selected the high performance mode. Right now the battery percentage is 73, and these are the games we got today here on our Realme C75. So first of all, let's start with Injustice 2. So here in the games widget you can see that we have selected the Pro Gamer mode. Right now the temperature is 34 degrees Celsius. So here you can see the FPS meter. Right now the FPS is from 55 to 60. So the graphics quality is good, but we are getting only up to 60 FPS, not more than that.
Here's a taste of girl power. Your madness stops here. Which part of you hurts the worst?
So 3D graphics rendering is also quite nice. No frame drops or lagging is happening. We are getting 60 FPS constantly.
I'm more than just like Dane. It's not magic.
This world is better without you.
So everything was nice and smooth while playing Injustice 2 on Realme C75. It's just that we are getting only 60 FPS, but considering the hardware specs of the device, that's quite justified. Now let's play Call of Duty Mobile. So here in the graphics setting of Call of Duty Mobile, you can see by default medium is selected for both graphics and frame rate. I can select high frame rate with medium graphics, and the maximum possible graphics is medium only. So this is the maximum possible combination, the medium graphics with high frame rate. So let's play the game and let's see how much FPS we are going to get. Here in the download manager you can see we have downloaded the HD resource pack to get the best graphics quality while playing this game. So you can see that we are getting 60 FPS here. Graphics quality is quite nice. So once again, considering the hardware specs of Realme C75, it's looking pretty nice. Once again, if you have a look on the ground, you can see how much detail we are getting. Really good.
Target in sight.
So no frame drops or lagging is happening. Graphics quality is quite nice, and we are constantly getting 60 FPS.
Friendly hunter-killer drone deployed. We've taken the lead. UAV online. Hunter-killer drone deployed. Sentry gun ready for deployment. Sentry gun deployed. Tango down. Enemy in sight. UAV online. Target down. Keep on them. We've taken the lead. XS-1 Goliath incoming. XS-1 Goliath is landing. Tango down! Reloading. Cover me. Enemy down. Get down, sniper.
So there was no frame drop, no lagging, graphics quality was good, and we were getting 60 FPS constantly. Now let's play Asphalt Legends Unite. So here in the graphics setting you can see I have selected the 60 FPS under the frame rate, and all of these advanced setting parameters are set on high or very high. Visual quality is custom because to select all of these parameters at high, we need to select the visual quality as custom. So let's play the game and let's see how good it's going to be. So the graphics quality is really good. If you have a look on the ground, you can see how much detail we are getting here. And surprisingly, we are getting 60 FPS. That's quite impressive considering the hardware specs and the price segment of Realme C75. So there was no frame drop, no lagging, and we were getting from 57 to 60 FPS most of the time while playing Asphalt Against Unite on Realme C75. And now let's play the last game for today, and that's PUBG Mobile. So here in the graphics setting of PUBG Mobile, by default balanced graphics with ultra frame rate is selected. If I go to smooth, then extreme frame rate is getting enabled. With HD, ultra frame rate is possible. With HDR as well, ultra HDR is not available. So I'm going to play the game with HDR graphics and ultra frame rate. After that, just a quick demo with smooth graphics and extreme frame rate to see how much FPS we are going to get in both of these graphics settings. So once again, if you have a look on the ground, you can see we are getting good amount of detail.
Awesome. It is
But the
showtime.
gameplay is not super smooth.
I need attachments.
We are getting 40 FPS, as you can see, that's the max. But once again, considering the hardware specs of the device, it's quite impressive that we got the game on ultra graphics and ultra frame rate, HDR graphics with ultra frame rate. So once again, you can see we are getting good amount of details. If you have a look on the costume of the character, the reflection of the light and everything, it's quite nice. So once again, you can see no frame drops or lagging is happening. We are getting 39, 40 FPS most of the time, and the graphics quality is quite nice. and here we go. So now I have selected the smooth graphics with extreme frame rate, and let's see how much FPS we are going to get. So now you can see that we are getting 60 FPS. Gameplay is way smoother, graphics quality is reduced a lot, but gameplay is smoother now. Huge bump from 40 FPS to 60 FPS. So I'm just going to leave it here. Now let's have a look on the battery status. So after playing all of these games for 45 minutes, the battery percentage moved from 73 to 63, and considering the fact that we were playing all of these games on the highest possible graphics setting, the battery performance is good enough. And if we go to the game turbo widget here, the temperature is 42 degrees Celsius, so it's not hot at all, just a bit warm sensation. Everything is at pretty much normal temperature, and we are not facing any throttling issue because of the heating or something. So if you are a gamer, you will be happy with the performance of Realme C75, especially considering the price segment of the device. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.